the exterior of a tall cream-colored building made up of apartment units with glass-walled balconies. The sun sets over a rooftop terrace with sofa seating and a view of the city's lights. Flying over the building's roof at sunset, a view of the harbor sits in the distance. White text appears, 200 West Ocean. The same text appears in black on the side of the building and over the glass entryway to the building, which is nestled among other buildings in a downtown area. An aerial view of the neighborhood and the harbor beyond under a blue sky. The upper floors of the building feature two-story floor-to-ceiling windows with a view of the sea. Cruise ships navigate into port at the harbor. A large shopping mall called the Pike Outlets is situated a few blocks away. A bird's-eye view of the rectangular outdoor pool. The building's number 200 is featured on a wall. Steps lead up to the building's entrance. A lobby area featuring modern furnishings in neutral light gray tones, floor-to-ceiling windows, and plants. A reception desk faces the entrance. The outdoor pool is ringed with lounge chairs and umbrellas. Lights illuminate the area and the pool at night. Next to the pool is an interior lounge area with tables, chairs, and a kitchen in neutral beige tones. A gym features rows of exercise machines. The interior of a unit with a plush L-shaped sofa, a black coffee table, floor-to-ceiling windows and a private balcony with tables and chairs. The open floor plan leads to a dining area with table and chairs, then the kitchen with an island countertop, stainless steel appliances, and white cupboards. Light fills the space from the ample windows. It is a two-level unit and upstairs is the bedroom, a king-size bed and furnishings in gray tones. A second bedroom contains a bed and furnishings with splashes of color in yellow and blue. Modern art decorates the walls. The balcony furniture includes chairs, a sofa, and small tables, and the view looks out onto the harbor. Another unit is shown, looking down a hall from the bedroom to a living area with floor-to-ceiling windows and a private balcony. The furnishings are modern and in neutral tones with pops of color. An outdoor rooftop space is decorated with black stone and round patches of grass. Near the pool is an outdoor grilling area with a sink, and a fire pit with seating. The sunset reflects off of the many glass windows of the sleek building. Text, 200 West Ocean.